こんにちは、it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share a vegetarian Japanese curry. When I make Japanese curry at home, it's usually with the beef, chicken, or sometimes seafood. But many of you requested for vegetarian Japanese curry, so I took it as a challenge to make a hearty and really delicious vegetarian curry.Even though this curry doesn't have any meat, my kids didn't realize it because it has lots of vegetables and it was quite filling. I decided to make this curry with a different approach from my normal method. What I did was to cook ingredients in stages. I used my basic curry roux for this recipe, and you can adjust the spices as you like. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you like Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Yasai. It means vegetable. Here are 3 common vegetables and their names in Japanese. じゃがいも potato, 人参 carrot, 玉ねぎ onion. 野菜 have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!